As you start to think about different ideas for starting a small business, one of the first questions you should ask yourself is, can I find customers for this business? It does not matter how good or how passionate you are at something, if you cannot find clients or get customers in the door, your business will probably not last long, no matter how good your other small business ideas are. This is why you need to research the perfect business ideas to start a small business. After doing some market research, we are sharing 20 small business ideas that you can start after this world lockdown. Number 1. Medical masks, gloves, and safety items manufacturing. Number 2. Local homemade food, art and craft business. Number 3. Live streaming and webinars online high-speed service. Number 4. Teach people how to create an opportunity to earn from internet. Number 5. Android application creation service. Number 6. Virtual assistant business. Number 7. Warehouse for e-commerce sites. Number 8. Online bakery business. Number 9. Freelance writing business. Number 10. Proofreading and resume creation service. Number 11. Soft skills training business. Number 12. Full-time blogging with affiliate marketing business. Number 13. Digital marketing project business. Number 14. Graphic designing business. Number 15. Sell digital course and software. Number 16. Homemade clothes making service. Number 17. Website development business. Number 18. Big freelancing projects. Number 19. Online teaching business. And number 20. Business consulting services. When you choose an idea for your business, you want to be sure that you choose one that you can expand on for future business building. For example, if start a cleaning business where you just clean homes to start, then later on you can add other services or products to your business to help you make more money. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.